Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. I'm Ashley. A lot of you guys have been requesting what I use in the shower, so if you guys want to see the products I use, then just stay tuned. A lot of you guys have been requesting a shower routine, and I'm not gonna film in the shower. I know a lot of YouTubers do, and that's fine. They wear swimsuits, different angles, totally not my style. I'm very happy to show you guys the products, so that's what I'm gonna show you, what I'm using. You guys are always curious about my shampoo, and I think you're gonna be shocked when you see what I'm using. And we'll just start at the top and work our way down. So shampoo-wise, I'm using this Pantene. And the secret is to get the Repair and Protect. And I'll link this down in my Amazon store so you guys can look at it. Oh my goodness. Okay, and I buy it as a set. So let's just go ahead and go on to conditioner. It's the same thing, but the conditioner, and it comes as a set. It changes your hair. I've used high-end, I've used low-end, I've used everything in between. I don't like to spend a lot of money, so I always buy the cheap stuff. My sister is a hairstylist, and so she buys really nice stuff. Nothing has ever worked better than this shampoo. It is so soft and silky. I don't know, when I get out, it just feels healthy. And the last weekend I stayed at my sister's house, and I love her and she has great shampoos, but when I was done washing my hair, like, it just didn't feel good. And it was like this nice tea tree special something. I cannot live without this, and they make it in sample sizes, so I'm gonna have to start keeping it in my travel bag because my hair does so much better with it. So you guys definitely try it out. These are Walmart products. I do not spend a ton of money on hair. I know a lot of people do. It's just not my thing. I'll spend money on food, but I won't spend it on products. Okay, this is the body wash that I use. Once again, because it's cheap. I ordered this off my Walmart link, and I'll leave my Walmart link down below if you guys want to get some free money for doing the free pickup. You can do that. But I started doing this because I want to say it's like $1.68 or something. It's soap, it works. I put it on a loofah, scrub my body. That's it. Nothing fancy. Now to shave, this is the razor, the big razor, and I'll go ahead and link those in my Amazon store as well. But this is what I grew up using. My mom always used them, so I've always used it. I've done higher ones, I've done cheaper ones. I just feel like this is my go-to. I love it. I switch them out a lot, but I love this razor. And I don't use a shaving cream. I actually just use conditioner. So this is my old conditioner when I switched from this. So I started using this, and then when I'm done with this, I just buy cheap conditioners. I like to have the pump, so I can just pump it, rub it on my legs, shave. It makes your legs smooth and silky, and I feel like it conditions your legs so they don't dry out. So that's a good tip. I feel like shaving cream can be kind of pricey, and it goes through really, really quick. You go through it fast, and like the bottom always rusts in my shower. Just grab a conditioner bottle, any kind, cheap, whatever, and use that to shave. And then I think that's it. Like, that's my shower routine. It is so simple. I'm not fancy. You guys know that. I do shower and shave and get ready every single day. So once again, that's why I like cheap products. You know, some people wash their hair like twice a week or once a week or 3 times a week. I do it 7 times a week. So I don't want to be spending a ton of money on all these products to get the same results that I can with the cheap ones. I love these. I've been using these a long time, and I encourage you guys to try them. I'll leave them down in my Amazon store. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Oh, and go follow me on Instagram if you're not. I'll leave my name at the bottom of the screen. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.